Hi friends, today we'll discuss about a relationship between a banker and customer. In normal scenario, father, son, mother, daughter or father, grandson, you have a lot of relationships. The same way you have a relationship between a banker and customer, it will change from one transaction to another transaction, one account to another account. So, if a customer opens a savings or current or deposit or loan account with a bank, then your relationship is started because you have a relationship between a banker and customer with a savings account or current account, deposit account, loan account. So every relationship there will be a different role played by the bank. So every role there will be a different name. So if customer opens a savings or deposit account in a bank, so banker will become a debitor, customer will become a creditor because money has taken from the customer. So banker is a debitor. So money has given by the customer. So he will become a creditor. Same way, customer opens a loan account, customer becomes a debitor, banker will become a creditor. Sometimes bank can act as a trustee for the benefit of third party. So those scenarios, banker will become a trustee. And nowadays banks are acting like an agent. They'll buy, sell shares on behalf of customers and checks collection on behalf of customer. Okay, once they'll collect or they'll buy or sell the securities, they'll get some commission. After the commission, that amount will be given to the customer. So in this scenario, banker acting as an agent. Sometimes banker acts as a consultant, where for the customer is unable to complete his activity like paying tax, investing in markets. So banker will give the consulting services. He will guide the customer, okay, how to pay the tax and how to make investments. In these scenarios also, banker will get a consulting fees. It may be some monthly or annually. Now these are called portfolio management. During these transactions, banker will become a customer role. He'll act as a consultant and he'll get some fees. And in bank, you have option like your valuables, maybe your property documents or some important documents, you can keep it in a safe custody of a banker. So in those scenarios, banker will become a bailee, or customer opens a safe deposit locker. Safe deposit locker means one locker will be given to a customer, but safe custody will be like one locker for the entire customers. Banker will have one locker, a big locker. He'll keep all the customer important documents in one locker, but deposit locker is one locker for one customer. So in this scenario, banker will become a lessor, customer will become a lessee. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends.